Ladies and gentlemen of Germany, it's me, NYSEinstein, from the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. Dow Jones Industrial Average closed down 20 points. We opened up 100. We went up 150. Oil was roaring. Market was roaring. And then it just tipped at 10:15, 10:30, kind of similar to the other day. Where it felt like it was a squeeze buy. There was no support. There was no fundamentals involved with it. Okay, it was just like, oh my God, they're anticipating some earnings tomorrow. They don't know if they're going to be good or bad. This market, there's so many people with so many positions and such a complicated financial situation in the marketplaces throughout the world that at every level there are people in a trade that when they feel a risk-reward level is too painful for them to deal with, they got to bet, and the bet's going wrong. They got to get involved. They got to cover. They don't care whether it's a margin call or what. This market opened up. Oil was roaring. It was up to above 40. Above 41, market roared, Dow roared across the board, and then the market just hit a level, whether it was a fundamental resistance level or whether it was a short cover and there was no support below it. This market rolled over and spent the rest of the day selling off. Midday, we rallied back to up about 100 points. God only knows why, and then the market at 3 o'clock sold off almost 150 points, closing in negative territory, down 20. What are we talking about here? Is there fear that the Fed is not going to raise interest rates, which is what they've been saying? That means that the whole banking sector is in question. How are they going to make money? What's their business model look like? Are they going to make money on general earnings? Are they make money on loans? Or will they make money? How are they going to make money? This market right now, as we've often seen, it's not. Oil up, market down. Okay, oil off the highs of the day, but still, the market sold off radically. Felt like the banking sector got super weak. There are fears around about the world banking sector. Is that what it was? Or is it the fact that today after the close and for the following next week, we've got earnings. And for the first time in a long time, everyone's bets are these earnings, these corporate earnings. The economy in the U.S. is weak and are going to project weak earnings. So in advance of all this shit coming out, in advance of all this stuff coming out tomorrow, our people just decided to make the big bet, 3 o'clock, as late as possible. As soon as they waited, and then whatever it was that the red flags or the signals that they were getting told them to get out or short the market. This market at 3 o'clock rolled over even deeper and sold with just determination. I got absolutely, ruthlessly, defiantly eviscerated by this market. My call was wrong. The imbalances showed me they did not give me a direction, but it just felt, I don't know. It was just a bad day for me. I didn't have a good day. It's from an intra-day point of view. Stocks did not cooperate with me and my signals. Okay? No matter what. I shouldn't have made a long bet. Did not have enough information to make a short bet. No matter what I did, the sell-off was so radical that I got eviscerated. Mentally, spiritually, financially, economically. I don't know what tomorrow will bring. Alcoa earnings came out. They missed on revs. You know what? This market's trading in this weird range. The bops up seem like short covers. The sell-off seem like intent. We're going to see what corporate earnings look like, which will give us a sense of the health of the economy, and then we're going to see how that affects their decision to do what they do with interest rates. NYSE Einstein signing off. I'm off to see the wizard. Later for you.